Roasted peppers stuffed with tuna. Great hors d'oeuvres appetizer. So you roast the pepper right on the fire right here, and you get it nice and roasted, and then you just peel off the skin. Okay. You scrape off as much as you can, just like that. So this looks good. Now let's make the stuffing. I like tuna in olive oil. The Italian Sicilian tuna is really great, but you can use any tuna you feel comfortable with. Drain the excess oil off. Let's get some anchovies, just to kind of add a little bit. You know, the peppers are very sweet, and to add a little oomph to it. We'll chop those. Let's add some capers to that. And these are small capers. I just roughly chopped them. Let's put that right in the bowl. Let's put in the tuna that has drained in the bowl with that. And we'll kind of roughly mash it together. Okay, let's add some mayo. Some mustard to give it that zestiness. Okay. And it's as simple as this. Put the parsley in here. Okay. How about a little bit of vinegar? That will add another dimension. Okay. Let's bring the peppers back up. A little spoon. And here we are. It's as simple as this. And you roll it, and you know what? I think this might be even too big. Like that. And like that. Stuffed peppers with tuna. I had it in Piedmont for the first time. They have some great peppers there. Corno di bue, the horn of the oxen is this great sweet pepper. And even though Piedmont is a landlocked region, they have a lot of fish on the menu. Vitello tonato, these stuffed peppers with tuna. And one would wonder why. Well, they're a great wine-producing region. And the next region down is Liguria, which is on the ocean. They're great fishermen. So I think they bartered some great wine for great fish. And so the Ligurian were drinking well, and the Piedmontese were cooking well with fish. Okay, just a little decoration, a little bouquet of parsley. That's nice. Some toothpicks if you want to butler them around just like that. But I think I will taste it just like this. This one looks good. Okay. Let me just cut into it. I am going to do it nice and gently. Let me take a bite now. Ooh. Really good. The sweetness of the pepper. There's a cleanliness about all of that. And then the complexity of the tuna, the capers in there and all that. Delicioso. Really, really good. And easy. You saw that.